Welcome to the iBaax video tutorial for how to add a property for sale as a brokerage. From my dashboard I have two options to create a property, either a quick button click here, or I can go to the main menu, click on property and click the add property button. On the poster property page I am able to put in the basic information required to save a property to the database. So starting with posting for sale, I want to post this property for sale instead of rent. And the type of status that the project is for posting, I have choices here of it's upcoming, it's a foreclosure, it's short sale or auction. In this case we'll use new project. As a property type, I have a drop down menu that allows me to select the type of property that I wish to add to the system. If it's an apartment, if it's a commercial in terms of office, or it's land. Again, for this demo we will choose single villa house. I can set a property title, and this is used so that users on the front of the website can see a quick description of what the property is. So I'm going to write here that it's a nice ranch style home in a quiet suburb area. I can add the built-in area, which is the size of the property. Again, I've got an option of choosing whether it's square feet, square meters, acres or hectares. The built-in area of the property will be 1,000 square feet. And the same for plots, lot size, that's the size of the land around the house or the property. Again, I can set square meters, square feet, or in acres often lot sizes are. We will go with square feet and 6,000 square feet. I can easily and quickly select using the slider for number of bedrooms, so just drag and release on how many number of bedrooms. As I scroll down I can do the same for number of bathrooms. The built-in year I can either select from the drop down, or I can type in the year that it was built and then click and it's in. And adding price, we have a selection of currencies in the drop down. We'll click on US dollar and type in the price of $120,000. Scroll down the page, I'm able to input a property description. So from here you can describe more information about the house, its locality, just various information. I'm going to paste this in. So we talk about it's a spacious home with room for improvement. It has one master bedroom with built-in wardrobes and two smaller but sizable bedrooms rear facing. Again, it's just adding more information to the property for a user to read. I'm going to scroll back up the page just to input the details now for the property location. It's already set in the United States as it knows my area from my IP address. I'm able to put in a zip code. As I enter that in, it will automatically change both the county and the area, which is changed to Astoria, and it knows using the zip code automatically on Google Maps. It's dropped a location pin in to see where the property is. The more information that you add, the more accurate it will become on Google Maps. So I know that it's on 30th Avenue, and again if you scroll down you'll see that it's now updated on the Google Maps. Now if for example I needed to move this to the next location of the house because it wasn't that accurate, I can click to adjust location on the map and then recenter the pin over the new house location. For now this is in the correct location, we can leave where it is. Apartment suite or number or building number if there is to the house, and I will add that information. It's 242, and this completes both the property location and address details. I'll scroll back down to the bottom where I'm able to, if there is an MLS number associated with this property, you can type that in here, or if there's no need you can leave blank. And finally, posted by the owner, or if it's posted by the agent. As I'm a brokerage, I am the agent for this property. I'm going to save as an agent posted by. Simply, if you're happy with the information that you've input in, you can scroll up and just double check. Just scroll back down to the bottom, click the save button. This will now save the property to the system and be ready for publishing. You can see that the information has been added to the system, so all the details that I've just input are appearing here now in the header with all the information, and is also given an iBaax ID reference number, and then the relative information available, which we can discuss in the next video tutorial.